What's up everyone, it's your girl Feliciayumm. Welcome back to my channel. As always, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you are the first to know whenever I drop a new video. If you are back to my channel, y'all are some most patient subscribers I ever know. Legit, like you guys are hella patient with me because yeah, these things be coming out once every 2 months. But nonetheless, today I will be doing a video on how I achieved this purple look that I'm serving you here. I'm using the Butter Me Up palette by Colourpop. I'm not sure when this came out, so I might be a little bit outdated, but nonetheless, it's still a look is a look. A look is a look, honey. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how I do this purple glitter look, go ahead and stay tuned. What's up guys, so I'm going to jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to start off by shaping and taming these crazy eyebrows. Not going to go into full detail in regards to how I do my eyebrows. If you need help, I have several other videos that I go into full detail, but I'm going to keep it pretty simple for you guys for this tutorial. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. I am done with that. So next we're going to jump into contour. I'm using my MAC foundation stick NW50. I love this stick. You get so much product with this stick. I've only had this stick for I want to say maybe 4 or 5 months now, and I have barely even touched the surface of this foundation stick, so it's amazing. I'm going to go ahead and brush out that contour with my MAC Face No. 1 foundation brush. I said MAC, this is Marc Jacobs, my bad. And just buff out that contour. So next we're moving on to highlighter, and I'm using my MAC Moisture Select NC35, and I'm placing that in the highlighted areas necessary, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Travis Scott definitely hits differently when things are blending out as planned, so hey. Alright, so next we're moving on to setting powder. Setting powder is a must if you want your makeup to look flawless, ladies. I am not kidding. Using setting powder has changed up my whole life, like literally. I'm using Huda Beauty setting powder here, and this is in color Blondie. Not technically my favorite setting powder, but this definitely does the job. So I'm placing that under my eyes, around my smile lines, and on my forehead, just a bit. I'm going to continue by chiseling out my cheekbones using a Real Techniques sponge to place that setting powder. And now we're going to move on to blush. I'm using Lorac in color Flaunt. I love this color. It's a pretty subtle pink. It's not too much. It's not too little. It's just right. So I'm going to go ahead and place that on my cheekbones and make those babies pop. I am just so excited because the holidays are here. We are in December. We are almost done with 2019. Goodbye, okay? Goodbye. And I'm just excited for 2020 to be here so I can just continue on with goal chasing and just doing what I need to do to better myself. Okay, back to the tutorial. So we are about to jump into the Butter Me Up palette by Colourpop, okay? I'm telling y'all, this palette is so beautiful. I am very just in awe of Colourpop Cosmetics because they always come out with great pigmented shadows that actually pop, okay, no pun intended. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this palette. I'm going to start off with color Details. It's this pretty brown color you see here. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. You can hardly see it on camera, but if you actually have the palette, it's got a tad bit of shimmer in it. Just it's such a pretty color. I'm going to use this as a base for my purple. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on my eyelid and blend it upwards. Next color we'll be using is color Paradiso. Like this color, this is the purple color that you see here. Like this color is legit everything. I love this color. I don't really hardly use purples, honestly, but this purple is such a pretty purple. Alright, so I'm going to place Paradisos on the inner and outer part of my eyelid and blend that together. We're going to go ahead and blend that in with details later down using a blending brush. Next, we're going to use Overpacked, okay? And when I tell you, legit, this shit is so saturated and so pigmented. You only need a little bit. I'm not even using a brush for this. I'm literally just dabbing a little bit from my finger onto my eyelid, in the middle of my eyelid. It is such a beautiful pop of glitter to your look. It really makes it more glam, it makes it more glitz, it makes it more festive. Alright, so I'm going to be using Color Fleet for my waterline, and typically I don't really mess with my waterline with the shadows because my eyes are so sensitive, but I did want to add like extra pop of color to this look just to give it that you know. So I'm using Color Fleet, which is this nice rosy pink color, and I'm telling you guys, this color is also just as beautiful. Like, everything in this palette is legit. Last but not least, okay, when I saw this palette, this color right here alone made me purchase this palette, Island Hoppin'. This packed pigmented glitter that I just want to rub all over my face. Alright guys, so that pretty much completes the eyeshadow look. Like I told y'all, I don't be doing the most, like I be doing the least. Okay, so I placed on some eyeshadow, I placed on some eyelashes and did my eyeliner. Those two were done off camera just because I wanted to give you guys more of the eyeshadow tutorial portion of this video. And that takes me forever, eyeliner and eyelashes. But yeah, so we went ahead and placed those on. Now I'm going to be brushing off this setting powder that has been setting on my face. I've been baking for a minute, so this is the perfect time to go ahead and release some of that excess powder off my face. First, I'm going to line my lips with my NYX light brown lip liner. I can't talk, guys. I'm like super sick, so please don't judge me for this voiceover. This is what y'all getting today. So I'm lining my lips first, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the Colourpop Cosmetics Lip Plumping Gloss. Using both. I'm using the color, which I don't have the name of. Guys, I am slacking. And I'm also going to go over that with the clear gloss that also came with the package. And both are super thick, super adhesive, and you kind of get a tingly sensation as if the plumping portion is working. But yeah, it feels good. It's not a burning sensation, which is always a good thing. So next I'm going to move on to mascara. I like to put mascara on my lower lashes these days. I don't know. I feel like it gives me kind of like a baby doll kind of look. And I'm using here my Clinique mascara. And let me tell you, Clinique, low-key, like their mascara is pretty bomb. So this is not waterproof, I don't think, because it comes off pretty easily when I wash my face off. I will have to check the package for that again for you guys. Alright, so next we're going to go on to my highlighter. I'm using Physicians Formula, and this highlighter is so beautiful. You know, the specs will be in the description box for the things that I don't know the name of, because I don't know the name of this highlighter right now. I just know it's by Physicians Formula. But this highlighter, I'm just dusting a little bit on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, and on my cheekbones. Because when that light hits you, you need to be looking, okay? You need to be looking right. So I'm just using my fan brush to place that in those areas, and I'm going to finish off this look by using my none other than my Studio Fix Plus finishing setting spray by m.a.c. Okay, I love this setting spray. The setting spray is legit everything. I have used so many different types of setting sprays, this and NYX. Alright, so I give NYX their credit too, because NYX is pretty good on the setting spray, but this beats all my Fix Plus. This one is my baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that and just finish and lock the look. Like, you have to lock the look, because It's got to be in place. We got to make sure that it stays, okay? We got to make sure that when you go outside, it's staying, all right? We're not creasing, all right? So, I'm so extra. But yes, guys, that is the completed look. This is your glitter look I said your glitter. Oh my God, I'm so sick. Yes, guys, so this is your completed look. This is the purple glitter. I don't know what to call this look. I just call it cute, okay? Like, we just feeling cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, I know I'm so extra, but if you haven't already, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. That's very important. It is such a slow build on here on YouTube, but you know what? I'm in for the long haul, and I just need you guys to stick with me. If you're back to my channel watching this video all the way through, you are amazing. I love you, and thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this. And I hope you guys all have a great holiday, and I will see you back soon.